Hello, how are you today? My name is Oluwasegun and today I am going to teach you Yoruba language. Yoruba language. And today I am going to teach you few words. I will teach you how to greet in Yoruba language. For example, if you are going to greet your daddy or your mommy or your friend in the morning, maybe you're just waking up or they're just waking up and you want to greet them, this is how you greet them. Ẹ káàárọ̀ o. Ẹ káàárọ̀ o. If it's in the morning, in English, you say good morning. In Yoruba, you say Ẹ káàárọ̀ o. Ẹ káàárọ̀ o. Now, can you repeat after me? Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàárọ̀. I hope you've learned something today, and I hope you're going to greet mommy or daddy or your friend in the morning with the Yoruba language. Ẹ káàárọ̀. Ẹ káàsán o. That's good afternoon. Ẹ káalẹ́ o. That is good evening. And I hope you've learned something new today. Hello. Today I'm going to teach you some parts of the body. Head. In Yoruba, translates Ori, head. Ori, head. Ojú, eyes. Ojú, eyes. Ojú, eyes. Your eyes. Ojú, eyes. Ojú, nose. In Yoruba, imú, imú, imú. Your lips. Your lips. Ètè. Lips. Ètè. Your hair. Etí. Your hair. Etí. Should we run over it together? Orí, head. Orí, head. Ètè. Ètè, lips. Imú, nose. Imú, nose. Ojú, eyes. Ojú, eyes. Etí, ear. Etí, ear. I hope you've learned something new today. Thank you. Bye. Ó dàbọ̀.